So I'm in a hospital, you guys. I don't know what's going on, but I'm having a lot of sharp pain and numbness in my chest and arm. I don't know what's been going on with me lately. Maybe it's just the winter or a virus going on or what, but I'm tired of being in the hospital, bro. But I'll let y'all know once I figure out what's going on. Welcome back, Vibe Tribe. I'm back and just got back out the hospital and came to some more gifts from you guys. So I'm excited to see what we got here. From Lashina Evans. Tear my top drawer for me, Kayla. From Lashina Evans. All right. A wax melt warmer. That's awesome. Did up today. Oh, that's nice, y'all. Look at that wax warmer. The wax goes right in there. Ice cube trays. Large ice cubes. It helps you create your own ice cubes. Make your drinks more chilling. I can't wait to use these. Probably use these tonight. Fill them up. Put them in the freezer. Definitely be needing some ice. I really appreciate that, Lashina. Thank you so much. For the wax warmer and the ice tray. And we got one more box from Lashina. I think these. What is this? Oh, wax melts. These are wax melts. Tropical fruits.
How do they smell?
Smell good.
Smell good. Smell good?
Mm-hmm. Smell like some type of like soap or something.
Yep. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, that's smell. What?
Kind of soapy.
Yeah, like laundry soap.
Thank you so much, Lashina Evans and your mom. That's awesome, you guys. I really appreciate you. It says, enjoy your gift. Enjoy your gift. Blessings to you and your family again. From Lashina Evans and her mother. Thank you so much. Put that in the drawer for me. Next box, you guys. May you have continual blessings, peace and happiness in your life and your family's life. Enjoy your gift from Dimitri Little. Thank you so much, Dimitri. I appreciate that. It's from Dimitri Little. Got me a squirt gun. The pink stuff. Multi-cleaner purpose. Okay, okay. And he also got us some urine destroyer. That'd be good for the dog. It's gonna come in handy, Dimitri. I appreciate that, cause man, Bear, he can't hold it, man. He all over the house, spraying the house like he a cat or something, man. Dang. Urine eliminator. That's what's up. Thank you so much, Dimitri. Dimitri Little, appreciate you. So far, I appreciate you, Dimitri and Lashina, and your mom. Thank you. Did you put that in the drawer? That paper? All right, get that garbage. Put it. All right, you guys, we got another gift right here. Here. For the house, God bless you, from Charlotte. Alrighty, Charlotte. Like we're getting a lot of new people that supporting us. I appreciate that. What we got, Charlotte? Bed sheet set. Oh, and this says, Charlotte says complete sheet set for Kayla from Charlotte.
Ooh.
All right. Say thank you to Charlotte.
Yeah.
Here's your sheet set.
Thank you, Charlotte. I really appreciate it.
Put that in the drawer. That letter for me, thank you. Thank you, Charlotte. I appreciate that for getting that for her. And some more waxes. A stack of them. Smell good. Got a stack of them, y'all. And this is a golden apple 4-pack. It's gonna have come to hand. We love our Scentsy stuff, y'all. You're more than welcome to get more Scentsy stuff if you like. We love Scentsy stuff. Wax melts. Got like wax melts and stuff. Thank you so much. Here, put that in there. That's a letter from Charlotte. Put that in my drawer for me. Got another box, you guys. A letter. I like my letters. For Kayla. Hope she likes it, from Charlotte. That is crazy. Get the letter in there.
Again from Charlotte?
All right. Here.
Let's see what it is.
What is it? You got a wax warmer.
Ooh!
Got a wax warmer.
See what it look like now. See what it look like. If I can open it.
Okay. You got your little mini wax warmer.
Look how
Oh,
pretty this is.
look at her wax warmer. It's like a mini one.
Oh, that's really pretty. That'll really go good with your stuff.
No. Thank you, Charlotte, so much.
And then you have some more stuff coming. Here. They like Princess Kayla. Thank you, Charlotte. All right, got another box, you guys. Trash, please, Taylor. Thank you. Oh, there's a lot of receipt things. Let's see. 1, 2.
3. They can't keep track.
Alright. Enjoy your gift. A little something to help you with these unboxing videos from Z. Z. Okay then, Z. We're finna check it out. Then you got a couple letters in here. Enjoy your gift from Z. Enjoy your gift from Z. Enjoy your gift from Z. A couple things in here then, huh? Put that in the drawer for me.
Get that paper.
First thing. Body wash. I got some Fiji, palm tree and coconut, Gentleman's Super Hydration Moisturizing Body Wash. Old Spice. Okay. Thank you, Z. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's crazy because I'm dang near out of body wash. I got like a drop left, so this came just in time. Just in time. Thank you for that. I'll probably be losing that tonight. All right. Got some utility knives, like razors.
Like box cutters?
Mm-hmm.
That's what he means.
To help you with your unboxing. Because I'll be like, I'll be struggling.
It's
So I'll be, that's what,
black
you're
tape,
smart.
That black tape.
Yeah, that black tape. Yeah, that's how we complain about the black tape. Thank you so much, Z. That's definitely going to come in handy for these unboxings. Definitely. Huh?
That was smarter than.
That was smart, bro.
Breaking pins and stuff.
What's this? Oh, we got some, what's this called again?
Loofahs.
Poofa?
Loofahs.
Oh, we got loofahs.
Loofahs.
We got loofahs, the little sponges, and this is what we use. I don't really use towels. I like sponges because it gets soapy and yeah, I like it. So, we got a gray one, a brown one. So we got a green one, a purple one, a brown one, and a blue one.
Let's go.
Brown gold.
Gold and brown.
So, there you go. Since you know the colors, put them back in the bag. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Let me get my knife. Let me get my knife. Give me a box cutter, y'all. Thanks to Z. Oh yeah, there we go. Way easier. Look at that. Open it right up. What's that? Yeah. Come down, bear. That's a Roby. I got the ropes. I got the ropes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You struggling?
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, man. I got the ropes. It's all soft and cozy. It's thick too. It's thick, man. It's a good quality too. Oh yeah, I got the robes. Walk around in the robes. You know what I mean? Got the robes now. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Look at that, Z. Thank you so much, Z. God bless you, man. I appreciate that. Wow, this is nice. It's nice. I appreciate you. Next box, you guys. My cutter. Got the cutter. Careful right there. This. Fits.
Box in a box in a box.
Trash.
Wait, what is it?
Trash. Trash. That's what that is. Trash. It's trash.
What is that though?
I don't know what it is. Yeah. Robes.
Hello, guys. So I got a gift. It says, "Hey, Brooke, this is for you. Enjoy your gift," from Michelle. Thank you, Michelle.
Make sure it gets good in the screen.
Gonna see.
Yeah, there we go.
Alright.
I know.
Give Kelly that. Yeah, no.
There you go. I wanted.
I don't gotta go to Dunkin' Donuts every morning.
Exactly, and I don't have to go.
All you need now is get your pots. Like what you
Right.
said, pot one.
Yeah, I can go buy them at the store. Oh,
She got my cutter.
I got your cutter. Yes. I got your cutter thing.
Yeah. There's another box. Yay.
Box in a box in
Yee,
a
look
box
at
in a
that.
box.
Nice.
I need another box.
Look at that, guys.
Single serve.
It's a coffee pot. I'm excited. And it's black, so it goes with everything in the kitchen.
Single serve.
I love coffee.
Coffee.
Thank you so much, Michelle. I appreciate this. It's definitely going to get used every morning.
Definitely is.
Especially
yeah.
before work.
Yeah. Maybe a couple times a day. I ain't even gonna lie to you. And then Mr. Man over there likes his hot chocolate too, so I'm sure we're gonna get something like that.
Not coffee though.
No. So there's different ones. It's definitely gonna get used every day.
Yeah,
Thank you so very much.
there's hot cocoa coffee.
You already showed him how it looks.
Mm-hmm. So we can see it real close.
So I can see it real close.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
back. In my robes. In my robes. Oh. Dang. Last box, you guys.
These boys.
Got cutters. Got cutters now. Go straight through. All right. Nope. Nope. I need notes. A gift from Mia. A gift from Mia. Happy cleaning. Enjoy your gift from Mia. Thanks, a lot of Mia's receipts. Enjoy your gift from Mia. Enjoy your gift for the kitchen from Mia. To protect the mattress, enjoy your gift from Mia. Enjoy your gift from Mia. The flashlights can be used for a power outage. Enjoy your gift from Mia. Thank you so much, Mia. Let's see what you got. Here you go, Caleb. Put that in my drawer for me. Like I said, the gift receipts, papers, that y'all messages, I keep them. I got like a stack of them. I'm going to be going through them one day on the channel to see who all supported us on the channel. Oh, some more from Mia. You need a first kid aid for home. Enjoy your gift from Mia. All right, Mia hooking us up. It's a lot of stuff in this box. First thing, waterproof mattress protector. Okay. So, I want to put this on the mattress, like you zip the mattress
It's
up.
probably like
I don't know if the
plastic.
zip up one or if it just goes over like a sheet, but it just protects the mattress.
Oh, we're gonna put that on after the video. Thank you, Mia. And this is
Ice cube tray.
ice cube tray.
It makes the circle ice.
Make circle ice. Make circle ice cubes. Make circle ice cubes, y'all. That's nice. I got all type of ice cube trays today. Definitely gonna put these in the freezer too with some stuff, man. Got a flashlight. 2 flashlights came in here. Do you probably need batteries?
I don't know. Open it. It might have it in there, but they flip them around so it doesn't work. Yeah, that's what it did.
Yep, need batteries. Yep, need some batteries in here, y'all. Smart thinking. I see you. I see you. Okay. That's the flashlights, you guys. Bear, sit down.
Sit.
First aid kit. Match the robes, the red. First aid kit, y'all. Definitely gonna come in handy. You could have used this earlier for you, Kayla, because you cut your finger earlier.
He was at the hospital anyway, so.
I'm just saying. What's this? It's like a soap dispenser.
Oh yeah.
I can
And
go downstairs.
yeah, go downstairs, and because it's supposed to be white anyway, orange and white, and it's a black one.
Because it's orange, white, and black downstairs.
Or this one for the kitchen.
Oh yeah, that's for the kitchen. That you put the dish soap in that, and then that you put the hand wash in there. Like so, you have different like hand wash and dish soap.
Oh, okay. Dishes and the hand soap, you guys. That's cute. Pot holder set, oven mitts, y'all. Oh wow. Non-slip snowflake surface.
Open those. See what they look like.
15-inch forearm protection. Organic cotton. Hand wash and machine washable. Waterproof, rinse to clean. Hidden hanging loop design so it can hang up to. Oh, okay.
Oh, so this so you don't have to put hot pans on the counter.
Yeah, you put this right on the pans. Right on the pans, y'all. When the pan is hot. That's nice. This stuff going right in the kitchen. So when I get done with this video, I'm putting all this stuff over ready to go, y'all. What's this one?
Those are the grab.
Oh, you can grab the stuff that's hot. I ain't never seen one of these.
Yeah, those are handles.
Puppet shows.
Wow, that is crazy. I'm having too much fun, y'all.
There was a little puppet. And
you got your big old oven mitts. Oh yeah. Yep. Big old oven mitts, y'all. It flops.
You can use them for swimming.
Hello?
On your feet. You swimming.
Okay. Got the oven mitts. Ain't never seen no oven mitts like this. It's crazy. I like these. Thanks, Mia. And the little mouth one. I like that. What's this?
Dryer sheets.
Dryer sheets. I smell them from right here.
They smell good.
You smell them?
Yeah.
I can smell them from right here. That's crazy.
Oh, they smell.
They smell real
They
good.
smell good and strong. Like strong and good.
240 sheets. Oh, this gonna go a long time. For large loads, you put 3. For medium loads, you put 2. Small loads, you put 1. That smells good. I wish you would have said like the scent. This
Smells
smells.
right there. Oh, nope, in the front. Right in the front. Underneath the.
Say outdoor fresh.
Yeah, that's the scent.
It smell real good, y'all. I didn't know outdoor fresh was a scent. Dang! Laundry.
boosters. So you put that in the washer.
This in the water laundry boosters, like
Yeah, it's supposed to like help with the odors and it's just.
Ooh,
you put it in there with your laundry soap. Okay, I'm learning today, y'all. I ain't never had nothing in life, so I'm learning. As y'all get me stuff, I'm learning. This is nice, y'all. Thank you so much, Mia. This is a big one too. Goodness gracious. Probably just need like a cap full.
That's usually how it is.
Look.
Just open it. You can look at the top. It's like a measuring cup, kind of. So that little circle right there is how much you put in there.
That smells good. Man, laundry gonna be smelling so good. Dang. There we go. What else we got? Oh, this kind of heavy. My cutter. Let's bring out my light. Multi-purpose cleaner.
That stuff smells good.
Clean freak. It look like it smells good or something too.
You just twist it. You can smell it.
Uh-oh. It's dripping.
It's drippy.
Oh yeah, that smells like laundry soap a little bit. That smells good.
Yeah.
Cuts grease and grime from Mr. Clean too. Yep. Okay. Okay. I'm dripping. Dang, it's another one.
That's this one.
Oh, that's the way.
Oh, so these backups.
Yeah,
These backups, ain't it?
yeah, so we have 3 bottles. All we just gotta do is take the top off and put it in those.
Got backups? Yeah, let you run out. I got a backup. Sure do. Sure do. I got a backup. Play with it. Yep, backups. Oh, these come in 3s.
Dang, so 4 bottles.
They come in 3s.
They triplets.
They come in 3s. Oh, triplets, huh? All right, you guys. That's all we got for today, you guys. God bless you. We are blessed and grateful for all these things from all the new people, too, that's supporting us on the channel and getting us things. We really are grateful and thankful for it. God bless all you guys' souls. And welcome to the Vibe Tribe family. Thank you, you guys. We love you, man. We are blessed to have you here in the community. And you guys have been awesome, wonderful people, just supporting and helping us out, moving in and being able to get things for the house and all type of stuff, man. I'm really thankful and grateful for that. And if you are new to the channel, or if you already been on the channel, if you would like to support and get something from the wish list, you can get something from the wish list, or you can buy your own stuff and put it on off the wish list, and it'll get sent. So yeah. Also, you can also Cash App. The Cash App will be in the description below. You can also Cash App as well. Or you can comment down below on the video some beautiful words of encouragement and support. Either way, however you want to do it. We love you. Stay blessed. God bless you. And I'm so very thankful for having you guys part of the family. Thank you so much. Bye, Tribe. Amari. Peace.